Kanlong ka jingjob ka wakraw ha kabayaday bat ka rukom pynkhuid yaki jaboh jabain na ka pung Umiam da ka bapendan kam ya kaling robot ne artificial intelligence marine robotic boat banlum banlang yaki jaboh ki waper hakislaum. Ya kane ka buit banlum yaki jaboh jabain las dang ha kendong rela ha kathan maudun jong ka pung Umiam ka balane mentala shtayo. Ya kane ka rukom penlangyut daki kor kibor lawan ra da ka sorkar Meghalaya ka bahab hapo smart village movement ha ka jinga trailang bat ka clear bot ka ba na Bangalore. Kani ka lieng kala banlum banlang hadu arspa kilo ki jaboh jaban hapo saw kenta. U Syllad Gupta bat u Utkash Gowel ki badai ki nong seng jong kani ka company clear bot ki liat hu bakilawan ban pen I ya ka rukom trekam jong kani ka machine lieng ka batong bat pynkhuid ya ki nyut ki nyer klem don kam bat pendon kam da ka bor briu Henry tang da u remote control ha ka ba kala bantong jaboh.
Did you meet Umiam there? Did you meet my other teammates there?
Yeah.
Okay.
I left my helmet, my jacket there.
Okay.
Can you bring that thing or we go that side?
We are the co-founders of Clearbot. We have a company where we make unmanned boats that are able to clean garbage out of the water. Today we are here in Shillong in Umiam Lake, and as you can see behind me is quite dirty. So today we've got our robot which is driving around and collecting the garbage out of the water. Sure, so the current version that's here today, it can pick up 200 kgs in weight and about 1 cubic meter in volume. And actually we have bigger versions that can do even more amount if required. And the machine can work either in radio control mode and can be operated by anybody, or it can work in autonomous mode where we set the GPS location and it can clean on its own.
And it runs fully electric, so it doesn't burn any kind of fuel. Right, and we can run it for about 4 hours on a daily basis, and it collects about 200 kgs in its full capacity in terms of the waste.
We actually have a bigger version of the boat, and I think with just one boat in a few months we can actually clear this space up. But of course if we have more boats, it's always faster.
Yeah,
right?
so I was saying the more boats the better. I guess it's kind of endless, but we propose, hey, have 5 to 10 boats here and clean this up as quickly.
Actually, this robot is being built in Bangalore, in India, and we started in India the first time usage in Bangalore, and we're also using it outside India. So for example, in Hong Kong, there's a fleet of boats, multiple boats there, and in Bangalore we've piloted in Banaras, in Varanasi before, and also in Kerala before. So, but this is our first time in the Northeast, and this is very new technology that we're bringing here, and hopefully able to help the water condition here.
I think this is the first time, we came here on Monday to scout the site. I was visibly shook by the amount of waste here. But since Wednesday we've been coming every day to clean this up, and I think this is the first time we've had to deal with so much waste. But we've also built our machines to deal with it. So I hope this pilot sort of satisfies all of the local authorities that this robot is a feasible solution.
We are able to have a robot in Shillong and clean up the lake. I hope the government and the public will support us in our mission.